Dear friends, on July 28 we observe World Nature Conservation Day. It acknowledges that a healthy environment is the foundation for a stable and healthy human society. Main purpose of the celebration. The main purpose of celebrating World Nature Conservation Day is to conserve the animals and trees that are on the verge of going extinct from the natural environment of the earth. What is the significance of the day? Conservation of resources has an important role in protecting our Mother Earth. The balance in the natural beauty of the earth can be maintained by preserving various components of nature: water, air, soil, energy, vegetation, minerals, fauna, etc. World Nature Conservation Day recognizes that a healthy environment is the foundation for a stable and productive society, and to ensure the well-being of present and future generations, we all must participate to protect, conserve, and sustainably manage our natural resources. What is the history of this day? The history and origin of World Nature Conservation Day is not known, but the main aim of celebrating it on July 28 is to introspect as a species on how humans are exploiting nature and take steps to conserve it. Humans are facing the wrath of global warming, various diseases, natural disasters, increased temperature, etc., due to the overexploitation of natural resources. Quotes for World Nature Conservation Day. Progress is impossible without change, and those who cannot change their minds cannot change anything. George Bernard Shaw. The earth is what we all have in common. Wendell Berry. He that plants trees loves others besides himself. Thomas Fuller. One of the first conditions of happiness is that the link between man and nature shall not be broken. Leo Tolstoy. If we destroy creation, the creation will destroy us. Pope Francis. 5 major nature conservation projects of the nation. 1. Nagar Vanudyan Scheme. It envisages to create 200 city forest in the country. A city forest will be developed in each city with municipal council. 2. Waste management under Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. 3. Project Tiger. Project Tiger is a tiger conservation program launched in April 1973 by the Government of India. 4. Mangroves for the Future, MFF. Mangroves for the Future, MFF, is a unique partner-led initiative to promote investment in coastal ecosystem conservation for sustainable development. 5. National Wetland Conservation Program. NPCA is a single conservation program for both wetlands and lakes. 5 things we could do. 1. Make kitchen waste compost. 2. Refuse single-use plastic. 3. Plant a tree/grow plants. 4. Do not waste water and food. 5. Try to walk 8,000 steps every day.